What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you the most powerful tools or software that I'm using for merging my multiple audio files into one file. So let's go and start uh, the process, and let's move over to the website. Okay, so this is the software that I mentioned. This software is a free software. It called OCENAUDIO. So okay, this is a free software. You can download them on the internet. This is available for Windows, Mac, and then Linux. So okay, so let's move over to the download window. Okay, so you can see here, this is the software, this is the interface. If you download them, it will looks like this. And then just go to the website ocenaudio.com. So this is the software. So just press download, and it, of course, it will start to download. So when you press that, there's a window that will pop up, which is it will ask you whether you wanted to donate to this website, because this is a free website. But if you happen to see that this is useful to you, I do recommend that you please donate to the website. Okay, so next thing is once you go there, of course it is already started downloading, you can see here. And then let's say, what are the features of this OCENAUDIO? There's a lot of features. So you can see here, I just opened the website. This is the features of this OCENAUDIO. You can use BST plugins. The BST plugins is used for editing your software, editing your audio file. If you wanted to put some effects on it, so you can use this audio, and you can download plenty of BST files out there in the internet. You can just download them and use them. So next thing is this is the interface. You can see them with the effects. If you wanted to use equalizer or gain and filtering, there's a lot of things, plenty of function. You can see they are available in all kinds of platforms, Windows, Mac, and Linux. And also you can do actual editing on the audio files, and also you can do like a batch editing, or like also you can use this software to convert many different types of audio files. So we will go through that, and then next few more topics. So you can see this is another features that you can see from this software. So just download them. This is how it looks like. Okay, so now let's move over to software. So I already, you can see it already downloaded here. I got already two, but actually I already installed this software. So let's move to the software. So software interface. Okay, so this is the software. Now, okay, once you open it, it will show you like this. So this is the interface of that software. So you can see there's something like that. Okay, so now let's say I wanted to use this software to play the audio. So all you have to do is just drop them here anywhere. Just drop the audio file anywhere there, and you can see them on that interface window. Right, so this is it. So let's say you wanted to play this one, it's easy as like doing that, right? So you can see all of them, whichever audio file you put on this software, they will it will play all of them. You just need to press, like for example, if you want it, you can control select all and then start to play. Then it will play all of them continuously. So that's it. So this is how you're gonna play and use this software as a player. So if you wanted to edit a specific file, audio file, of course, double click, and then here you will see many different kind of function, like this is cut, copy, trim, of course this is delete, this is trim, and then you can see normalize, and also you also have like a fade in, fade out, and then gain control. So those are the powerful tools you can use if you wanted to edit some specific audio files. So okay, so that's it. And then now let's say you are going to convert specific audio files into like different types of audio file. Like for example, in my current audio file, you can see this is WMA version 2. Let's say I wanted to convert this audio file as MP3 or a WAV file. WAV file is the most powerful audio format that most professionals are using for their audio recording or something. So I wanted to convert this as different files. So you can see here there are lots of choices which you can use to convert a specific file into something. Like for example, this is currently a WMA format. So let's say if I wanted to choose MP3, I can just click on that. I can convert them to MP3. Just as simple as that. Or you can also, let's say, use this is the best format. You can use WAV PCM linear. So you can also use that format. So okay, so let's say you already did the conversion, and previously it was WMA, now you want it to be WAV PCM linear, and just save. So that's simple as that. So let's say that's how you're gonna do them for all of them if you wanted to convert the audio format into different types. Now the most powerful use of this software for me is that whenever I wanted multiple audio file, I wanted them to merge into one file, I always use this software. This is very, very powerful. This is very good software. So in order for you to do that, all you have to do is, first thing is, of course, we have here 6 types of audio. So if you want to merge all of them into one file, the procedure is very simple. First of all you have to do is, I think I'm not sure, okay, you can also do this, you can also do that, you can also select all, do right click and select all, and then once you do that, what you have to do is, again, you have to right click, and then you can see here there's a plenty of choices which you can use whatever you want the uh, audio files to be. Like for example, let's say I wanted to merge all of them into one file. So what I have to do is to select the join. Okay, then after that you can see now it created a single file, which is it says join, so it means they already join all of them together. So when joining the multiple audio file, make sure that when you press the select all, you are always, your cursor is always on the first one, so that whenever they start the process of merging the file, the output will start from the first one, because it's on this. Because if accidentally you put the cursor here and then you right click, after the merging process, the first audio file will be on this point. So that's another tips I can tell you to make sure that when you're merging is you are putting the cursor on the first one, whichever you want the first to appear on your audio file. So now we have this one. This is already joined, but it's not done yet. You can see here there's already 39 minutes, so like 6, 4, 9, 5, 7, 6 minutes altogether is total of 39 minutes. So your job is not done. After you see this, all you have to do to save the file is right click also again, or I think you can press this as a save, or what I'm doing is I always choose right click so that I can choose what type of file I'm going to save this audio format. Okay, this audio file. So like for example, save as, and then another window will come out, and that will show you this window. Of course, this is simple. Just type in your what is the name of the file. That is simply this file name. So this is okay, so just like that, and wherever you want to save it. So here there's a lot of, like what I already shown previously, there's a lot of ways you can select whichever the file format you want the output will be. So you can choose whether you wanted MP3s, whether you wanted the best audio format like PCM linear, or if you wanted to use wave PCM linear also, it's possible. Okay, like for example, if you want them to save as MP3 files, but of course MP3 is not a good format. If you want lossless format, of course the best format is PCM linear or the wave PCM linear, for example, but it takes a lot of space on your hard drive. So let's say you wanted to save it as MP3 files, then just hit the save, and it will start saving your merged file. So I think that's it. Most of the time I use this for merging the audio file, converting the audio file, and I think if I want to trim some of the audio files, let's say I don't want some something on that audio, and I wanted to cut the specific portion of the audio file, then I'm using this software. Also, there's another way you can use this software, which is also shown here, and this is a record button. So like for example, if you wanted to record an audio, all you have to do is just press this one. So like for example, I wanted to record now, so just press that one there, and it will start to record. But of course, if you have to watch for this, if you are playing something and then you accidentally press the record button, it will override your existing audio file. You can see it overrides my audio file. But of course, you can still press the undo button to remove that. But this is just an advice that if happens to you that you are playing with an audio and then you accidentally press the record button, it will override that file. So make sure you don't do that while playing an audio. So just press the undo button, and then it will go back to the previous version. So you can see the playhead. Whenever I press that one, it goes to that place. So if you wanted to record, don't put the playhead here. If you wanted to record an extra audio to a specific audio file, like for example this existing one, then just press the here and put the playhead in this place, and then you can do record, and it will push that existing one, and your new recording will be added to that audio file, right? So you can see this is the new recorded audio file, so you can see. But of course, that's only if you wanted to add some more recordings on your existing audio file. So let's remove that one. Okay, so okay, the process is done. You can see it says it's already saved. So you can see there's a lot of audio file. You can also show you can see here this is already 39 minutes, so that's why you have a very long audio here now. So okay, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this simple tutorial helps you in choosing the right software for your editing job, which is this is a very powerful software. It's also a free software. Of course, there's a plenty of software there you can use, like for example, if you have a Logic Pro or whatever the audio and video software you are using, like different types of DAW, different types of digital audio workstation. They are most powerful software, but they are for advanced user. For this software, this is a free software, and for the like a simple editing, this also will help you a lot. There's another software I am using for editing some of the audio files, which is the Audacity. The Audacity is also a good software, free software, which also you can use the same as this one, but only the problem for Audacity is for me it's very hard to navigate. So but it's also a powerful free software you can use and you can download on the internet. So alright, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Okay, so let's to the